Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about Sony's upcoming full-frame hybrid camera. The Sony A7 V, with Sony's A7 series earning widespread respect among both photographers and videographers. It seems Sony is preparing to deliver another game-changing camera that could shake up the industry in 2025. If you're passionate about mirrorless cameras, cutting-edge autofocus systems, 4K advancements, and high-resolution sensors, you're definitely in the right place. In this detailed breakdown, we'll explore all the early leaks, insider whispers, and potential specifications that could make the Sony A7V a standout choice in the coming year. Early clues, certification points to imminent release with anticipation. Surrounding the Sony A7V gained momentum after a new camera surfaced in Indonesia's product certification database. Such certifications typically hint that a product is moving toward the final stages. Before an official launch, the certified model number, WW27726, strongly indicates that this is part of Sony's A7 family, considering that models like the A7R have already been refreshed and other recent releases like the A7CR are still quite new. All signs suggest this mystery camera could very well be the A7V. While the certification doesn't reveal specifics, it does confirm that Sony is actively preparing to release a new addition to the A7 lineup. Industry insiders suggest that we could see an official announcement as early as March or April 2025, though some sources predict a September 2025 unveiling, potentially aligned with major global camera events. A busy year ahead for camera enthusiasts and trainees. The Sony A7V won't be the only exciting release next year. Brands like Canon, Nikon, Fujifilm, and Panasonic are also reportedly working on their next big launches. In fact, OM System is expected to introduce a retro-inspired Micro Four Thirds camera that could appeal to photography enthusiasts looking for compact, stylish designs. The competition in the mirrorless camera space is heating up, and Sony seems poised to make a bold statement with the A7V. Key leaked features and potential specs. Let's dive into the most talked about rumored features that could set the Sony A7V apart from its rivals. 1. New 4MP full-frame sensor. Of the most exciting upgrades would be a new 44-megapixel sensor, offering higher resolution than the A7V's 33MP. This would provide sharper details, more flexibility for cropping, and better image clarity. The sensor is also expected to deliver faster readout speeds, potentially reducing rolling shutter issues and improving performance for burst shooting, especially useful for sports and wildlife photographers. 2. 4K video at 120 frames per second. Perhaps the most groundbreaking leak is the potential for 4K recording at 120 FPS. This feature, currently reserved for Sony's premium models like the FX3 and A7S3, would bring high frame rate, cinematic slow-motion video to a broader audience. If this rumor is true, it would position the A7V as a powerful tool for content creators, filmmakers, vloggers, and YouTubers looking for a versatile hybrid camera without stepping into the higher price brackets. 3. AI-enhanced autofocus. Sony's autofocus technology has long been a leader in the industry, and it seems the A7V will take this to the next level with AI-driven autofocus improvements. These enhancements are expected to include improved IAF for both humans and animals, expanded subject recognition, potentially including vehicles, and insects, more accurate real-time tracking, enhanced low-light focusing. If the rumors hold, the A7V could deliver one of the smartest and fastest autofocus systems available in 2025.4. Upgraded in body image stabilization. The details remain limited. It's likely Sony will introduce a refined IBIS system to provide even better stabilization during handheld shooting. This is crucial for creators who frequently switch between stills and video. 5. Aggressive pricing strategy. Some reports suggest that the Sony A7V will maintain a similar price point to the A7V's launch price of around $1,499 United States dollars. If Sony manages to deliver high-end features like 4K 120 FPS and a 4MP sensor at this price, it could undercut rivals and offer incredible value. This aggressive pricing would make the A7V a serious contender for creators shopping for a powerful full-frame hybrid camera without pushing into premium pricing territory. Other expected features. Camera insiders and industry leaks have hinted at several additional upgrades that could make the Sony A7V even more appealing. Upgraded electronic viewfinder, improved resolution for a clearer, sharper view, enhanced touchscreen interface, a better touch-based menu system for smoother usability, dual card slots, likely to support CFexpress Type A for faster data handling, dynamic range improvements, possibly offering wider dynamic range, and more natural color rendering, better heat management, Some speculation suggests a redesigned internal structure to handle heat more effectively, especially during long 4K 120 FPS recordings. If Sony can successfully incorporate these upgrades, the A7V could stand out as one of the most balanced and creator-focused cameras of its generation. Why the Sony A7V could reshape the market. Combination of rumored features makes the A7V one of the most anticipated hybrid cameras on the horizon, with the potential to deliver exceptional photo quality, cinematic video capabilities, and class-leading autofocus all in a relatively compact, ergonomic design. Sony seems to be aiming for creators who need a versatile tool that doesn't compromise. Whether you're into wedding photography, filmmaking, travel vlogging, or just looking to step up your creative content, the A7V could easily become a top pick in 2025. Sony's continued investment in AI-powered features could also inspire competitors to accelerate their own advancements, potentially reshaping the camera landscape in the coming years. The competition. Rivals to watch. Of course, Sony won't be alone in this space. Some key competitors that could challenge the A7V's dominance include Canon EOS R6 Mark III, expected to bring strong video capabilities and Canon's renowned color science. Nikon Z6 III, likely to deliver autofocus improvements and enhanced video performance. Panasonic Lumix S5 II, already making waves with phase detection autofocus and strong video-centric features. Fujifilm X-H3, potentially delivering advanced video features to the APS-C market. System OM3, aiming for retro camera fans and compact system shooters. If Sony manages to offer all these rumored features at an attractive price, the A7V could easily pull photographers and videographers away from competing brands. Should you wait for the Sony A7V? If you're currently eyeing the A7 IV or similar cameras, it might be worth holding off until Sony officially announces the A7V. The expected improvements in video frame rates, autofocus intelligence, and resolution could deliver significantly more for a similar price. That said, it's always smart to remember that these are still unconfirmed rumors and early leaks. Until Sony provides an official reveal, we have to take this information with cautious optimism. Regardless, 2025 is shaping up to be an extraordinary year for camera technology, and the Sony A7V is at the center of this excitement. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.